Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Singh. I am a third year student of Institute of Hotel Management, Mumbai. Today I am presenting an authentic and zero waste platter from the Bodo tribe of Assam. This tribe relies heavily on simple wild ingredients. Today I am serving Panialao Khardwi, which is a velvety bottle guard stew made with homemade alkaline liquid extracted from burnt banana peels. I have paired it with Mai Naorw, a fragrant ginger-infused rice, and Mwi Gwran, which is a green side of dry stirred methi and spinach. This entire meal represents a sustainable and forest-to-table heritage of Northeast India. Thank you. First, we will start with alkaline liquid called Khar. In this, we will chop the banana peels and roast them in a dry pan until they are completely burnt. And then we will crush them into a fine powder and pass warm water through it. We will let it rest for 5 minutes and strain it through a strainer. Khar is one of the most distinctive traditional ingredients used in the cuisines of Assam, including the Bodo community. The traditional method involves burning the dried banana peels until they become ash. The ash is then placed in a clean cloth or sieve and hot water is slowly poured through it. As the water passes through the ash, it absorbs natural alkaline minerals, producing a clear liquid known as liquid khar. These are the required ingredients for Panialao Khardwi. First, we will finely chop the bottle gourd. In a pan, smoke mustard oil, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and chopped bottle gourds. Add the soaked masoor dal and the prepared khar. Add salt as per taste and let it boil. Cover it and cook. While the food is getting cooked, let's talk about Assam. Assam is a state in northeastern India known for its lush tea gardens, the mighty Brahmaputra river, rich biodiversity, and vibrant cultural heritage. Assamese cuisine is known for using fresh local ingredients, simple cooking techniques, and balanced flavor. Rice is the staple food accompanied by fish, meat, bamboo shoots, and seasonal vegetables. The Bodo community is one of the largest indigenous community of Assam and belongs to the Tibeto-Burman ethnic group. They are mainly found in the Bodoland region of western and northern Assam. The Bodo people have a rich cultural heritage with their own language, traditions, music, dance, and festivals. The Bodo cuisine is one of the oldest traditional cuisine of Assam and reflects community's close relationship with nature. The cuisine is known for using ingredients such as bamboo shoots, leafy vegetables, fermented fish, ginger, green chili, and local herbs. Unlike many Indian cuisines, Bodo food uses very few spices. The focus is on preserving the natural taste and nutritional value of the ingredient. Traditional cooking methods include boiling, steaming, roasting, and light frying. These are the ingredients for Mai Naorw. First, crush the ginger, then in boiling water, add that ginger. Let the water simmer and then add short grained rice. Once the rice is cooked, remove the crushed ginger pieces and drain the excess water. These are the ingredients for Mwi Gwran. First, chop the spinach and methi leaves finely. Then in a pan, heat mustard oil, add garlic and chili. Let them turn golden brown and then add the leaves. Once they are well sauteed, add turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Stir fry them until the water is completely dried. And here is the plating.